everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be talking on a topic. Uh, I think I have done some makeup, so it must be a makeup video. But no, it's not a makeup video. Maybe in coming time we will have that also. But today I want to talk about a very important topic, that is judgment of other people and how it affects our happiness. I have always seen this thing that women, ladies get comments that, oh, you are British, don't use this color, this lip color is not good for you, this dress is so over for you, you know it will not look good on you. And girls are so much conscious, inside, oh, my color is not white, it should be bright white according to our beauty standards. And although we write on Instagram that Black Lives Matter, but if we want to, if you want our son to get married, we want a girl who is very, very fair. That's what written in matrimonial sites. So today I wanted to talk about this thing, and I have talked to women of different sections, like people who work in my house or colleagues with whom I work, and some ladies who are very, from very well-to-do families. So everywhere this thing is there, that they are so conscious of their, how they look, what they are saying, what if they say this, then this will happen, what others will think. And because of this thing, they always want to be correct. Same thing was with me also some years back. I always wanted to do everything which I felt was correct, because I always had a fear that, if I do something which I think or I say, then if what I feel, if I say that, then people will not like me. So this was the thing which I faced for many years. But then I realized, and I was very conscious of buying any lip color or any makeup. I was very conscious, that I should look very fair and everything. But down the lane, I realized that why this judgment? And the worst part is that mostly women are, judging other women. Sorry, women are judging other women. So that is the weirdest part, because a woman should always support a woman, but this thing happens that because of this, see so many ads also, that you increase your fairness and get a glow and everything. I also did a video for skincare, glowing skin I wrote. But the thing is that, I was talking about the hygiene part and the health of the skin. We can see so many beauty queens, they are not very, very fair, but they look very good. So, and apart from this color thing, many other things, that rituals and everything, and you should do everything properly. And women are so conscious, if we do some single mistake, we will be judged by the family, by the people around us. And because of that, we never tell the world who is real Bhavna or who is real Divya. Like, nobody knows that, because whole life is so pretentious. We always pretend that, we are very good, we are good daughter-in-law, good daughter, good wife, and everything. So I just want to talk about this thing, that just set yourself free. You know, let people think what they want to think. We all get only one chance to live, right? So do what you like. I've been saying this in all my videos, that do what you like, do what you like. And someone can ask me that, how can we do that? Because people around us judge us. So I just want to say that you please take out this fear from your mind, that what people will think. Because I have so many stories which maybe I'll share with you if we get another video coming in coming time. There are so many stories, I have read so many books also. uh, I will mention the link in the description box also. You can read those books. There are just so many stories, women all, always try to fit in that glass ceiling, and they did everything what was told to them, and still people were not happy. Still people are not happy today also. It's not like a past thing. Today also same thing is happening. So What is the point of having good education, good career, you know, good point of view if we can't express it? We are judged by everything, judged for everything, like our makeup, our dresses, our neckline and everything. For everything we are judged. And the moment we get ready and we come out and people start judging us. Okay, she has done so much makeup, she's looking like this, she must have done, oh god, what she has done to herself, oh, our family prestige and everything. So many things, so many. I know that it's very difficult to just break the glass ceiling. Yes, we can definitely start changing. The moment we start changing our thought process, I talk to some ladies and my friends only, and I have no hard feelings for them, but they say that, yeah, she was wearing that lip color, she was looking so bad, and she's so bad, she leaves her child in the crutch, she's not a good mother. Don't judge people because you don't know the story behind them. Everyone we meet in our daily life, everyone is having a struggle. So i just I thought that I should just ask what you feel, and what you face and how you deal with it, because it took me a lot of time to come out of this zone where I was trying to be correct all the time. I was correct. So, and slowly I realized that there is so much pressure. There is so much pressure in this thing to prove yourself. Every time you are proving yourself, and you are always prioritizing other people over you, and this becomes a habit. And then one fine day you find that you are in depression. You are not liking your life. I was talking to one of my friends. She was telling that everything's going bad in my life. I have so many responsibilities. So I just asked her, then what was the need of getting married? We get married, we have children, we have our family, this extended family, because we all want to be happy. But if there is so much pressure and you're not happy even in a single day in your life, what is the point of having all this? So I meant to say, I am not against any ritual or anything. I am just saying one thing, that women should support other women, and if they do that, then it will be a fantastic society for all of us. We'll be like freely, we'll be breathing and we'll be saying what we feel, and then we can have different point of views. That's fine, but you know always keep an eye that what she's saying, what she's, how she is. Even I have seen that people, that they monitor that how our daughter-in-law is eating, how she's sitting, all these things. It's not needed. And educated women. I'm not talking about if someone is, feel that if someone is uneducated, these things happen. No, my colleagues, I have seen them. They get married and from second third day these things start. So just try to talk to your family, just politely talk to them, and just try to project what you are. From day one, just project what you are in actual. Otherwise one day you will be bogged down with this pressure, and you will be like, okay, I don't want to act anymore, now I can't act anymore, and then you collapse. So better part is that we just, from day one, what we like, what we don't like, we should be very very clear. And it has to be in a polite way, because that only works in the real world. Politeness works. But we should not be judging others on the basis of their color, their body. She's fat, she's thin, she's so fat. I have seen women, commenting on other women's body parts. See how fat she is from this body part. It sounds very ugly, and it's very degrading, and these things are happening around us. So, with all respect, with all due respect to all the elders and everyone, and families, just wanted to say this, that give an opportunity for the other person to actually project what she is. That is very rare. One of my friend, she wants to get married now, and she's so scared, because she's telling that they have written in matrimonial should be very very fair, very very she should know everything in the cooking and everything. So much pressure is there. So these pressures you can't handle after a point. So that's why these things are very important. Please tell me what you feel about this video and what I said in my comment section, and please share what you feel and what you have seen and how you dealt with it, because important part is that how we deal with it. That is the important part. When we talk, we always talk about problems. Oh my god, this happened, that happened, oh it was so bad, and she's so bad and he's so bad. But we should talk about the solutions, that what is the solution of this, because every person when we talk to, he or she feels that he is correct or she is correct and other person is wrong, and everyone has a story of their own. So it was nice to talk about this topic. And if you like my video, please like it and share it, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.